Hello everyone, welcome today on Friday, almost weekend, Friday, January the 14th. Yes, it's January the 14th, 2022. We have not so good news, but first let me show you the two regular Sudokus. We have here the Sudoku Light, regular Sudoku, and a regular Sudoku Heavy. Well, a misprint. You see, misprint. Not printed well. Well, this is a 7, the 6, the 1, and a 5. Okay, I will correct this manually. But what are the bad news? Not so good news. There's no additional in today's newspaper. Let me show you again the whole newspaper. So what I will do is yesterday we have an unfinished additional. I will continue with that. It is additional. Yesterday we have 9 extra puzzles. 5 of them I have solved. So there are 4 puzzles remain. Yes. Look, no extra puzzles. Bad news. Not so good news for today. But there's also 2. We have 2 extra bad news in the newspaper. There is also mention about suicide among the youngest people during the lockdown. Yeah, the numbers are increasing with suicides. Not so good news, the lockdown. And yeah, I understand the lockdown because I'm also in lockdown, and I have also a trauma with the lockdown. So you get depressive, and one of the manners to solve this is also solving puzzles. Yeah, solving puzzles. Last bad news. We have broken the daily record. There are 35.5k people infected with Omicron. So the daily record is again broken. So it's still rising. So the top or the peak is not reached. So we will see that in the coming week or 2 weeks. Anyway, bad news. Starting with these 2 regular puzzles. Alright, but let me start with this. Sudoku Light, number 3978. 3978. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, we have 9 big squares with each big square 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? Which number is the most? Let me see. How about the 1? Let me start with the 1 then. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Alright. Let me see. How about the 6 in this column, the 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And I see I can, after the 6, I can continue with the 1. Yes. Alright, 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Do we have all the 6s? Let me count. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 1, number 6. Now I can continue with 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright. With the 2 then. Alright. We have a 2 in the first row, a 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright. Okay. Then. We have here 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this third row, 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. Alright. Then we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 is a missing number. We see here 4 in the last column, so no 4 in this box. Here 4, no 4 in that box, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 4. Wow. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 are missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and an 8 it goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Wow, 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers. So the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. 4 and 8, I cannot fill this yet. Woo, need to wait. Okay, 1 number left then in this column for 4. The number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square, 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. No. We have a 3. Let me start again. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Well, the first column, 2 numbers are missing. The 4 and the 8. 4 and the 8. 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 and more. This box should be a 4. Alright. Final 2 numbers in this big square, 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Yes. Could be faster, talk too much. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle in this newspaper. We have no additional, so see you later. Bye bye for now.